So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about how XRP is about to have a huge breakout in the upcoming weeks. So in this video we'll be going over what we can possibly expect in XRP in the upcoming weeks and what pattern we are currently seeing in XRP. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, please do make sure you hit the thumbs up button and also click the subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently over at our screen, and as you can see right here, we are on coinmarket.com, and if we see right here, XRP is currently on number 6 in all cryptocurrencies. So right here we can see it is trading at around 55 cents right now, down about 0.29% in the past hour, up about 1.67% in the past 24 hours, and down about 3.98% in the past week. So let's just take a brief overview of what XRP is looking like. So if we look at our daily graph right here, we can see we started off 24 hours ago at around 54 cents right here, and we are currently at 55 cents. And if we look at the 24-hour volume, we can see we are at $734 million right now, down about 44% from yesterday. So we are seeing a little bit of less volume right now in XRP, but we are very soon to be back with this volume. We are currently at a $29 billion market cap, so we are still up. And if we just analyze this graph right here, we can see our daily low was around just under 54 cents, so 53 cents and 97. And if we look at our daily high, we were at around 55 cents 39, so that was our daily high. And we can see for most of the day we have been in the green, and we were doing good for this whole day. And let's take a look at the 7-week chart. If we look at the 7-week, we can see we are almost around 4% down in the past 7 days. We can see that 7 days ago we were trading at around 57 cents 39, and we were going pretty decent in the first few days, but then we started seeing a little bit of a decline, and then we had this dump, but we have recovered from this dump, and we are now heading back upwards. So what are we here for? What is the signal we are seeing in XRP? So let's head over to tradingview.com, and if we pull up XRP USD right here, we are on the weekly chart of XRP, and if we just take a look at this graph, we can see we can notice a symmetrical triangle being formed in the weekly time frame of XRP. So we can see right here, this line is the resistance and this line is the support right here. And we can see that the resistance has been hit multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and we can see the support also has been hit multiple times, and we are very close to this breakout right here, and we have yet to decide which way this breakout will likely lead to, but most likely this will be an upwards breakout because this symmetrical triangle is seen during an uptrend. So we are very likely to see this breakout onto the upward side, and we could possibly see huge prices in XRP. So if we take a look at what our price targets could be, let's just take a look at right here. We don't have to go a lot further. We can see this is a 350% upwards trend, and we could possibly see that in the upcoming weeks. Now it doesn't have to be very quick. We don't have to see this in just the first weeks. This could take a long time, but we are very likely to head back above the $1 range in the upcoming weeks. Now this could take months and possibly even years, but this will result in a green flag, and we are likely to go in the upwards direction in XRP, and we could possibly see something like this in the upcoming weeks. Now notice this is a long time frame, and we aren't going as quick as expected, but we will for sure. So we will go up for sure, and that is confirmed when we see this breakout happening in the upcoming weeks. So we have to wait and see which way the breakout will happen. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we explained how XRP is going to have a huge breakout in the upcoming 6 to 8 weeks, or that was just a round figure. We could see that in the upcoming weeks nearly. So we are currently seeing a symmetrical triangle in XRP, so we have to wait and see which way the breakout will happen to. We are likely predicting the breakout to the upward side, but that is not yet confirmed, so we have to wait for the confirmation breakout and then we can predict more prices. But XRP is very likely to go above the $1 range in the upcoming weeks and months. So if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out my daily live videos I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto news, any recent price changes, and anything related to the crypto community we talk about daily on this channel. So do make sure to tune in every day on the live stream. And I also create long form content like this, so I create more videos like this talking about any recent crypto news or anything to keep you updated about the crypto community. So do check those out also. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Please drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.